from Project Tips.
And today we're gonna be unboxing the digging hole game.
Wow, what kind of game is that, Alyson?
It's a game where you have to place your pieces. You can knock the other player's pieces down, and you can put your pieces here.
So how do you play?
So you get to slide one at a time.
What is that? Is that a playing piece?
Yes.
Oh, so that's a whole playing piece, right?
Yeah, there are 13 playing pieces.
For each player?
Yes. And there are stickers and then little...
That's a pot for putting the pieces.
This is the pot for putting the pieces, and then it comes with
Groundhog
the groundhog
picture.
The groundhog picture, and it shows you how to assemble it. You can put the groundhog on top right away, or you can, when you got a straight line, you can just put it. You can put it then. And
so your opponent will be surprised.
Yes.
So what's the objective of the game?
So the objective of the game is the first player to complete an unbroken line of knotted hole playing pieces between the top and bottom of the wall wins.
Oh, so where is the top and where is the bottom? You have to show them.
So here is the top, and then this is the bottom.
Okay, so if you complete a line like that, then you win.
Yes, you can do a straight line, or you can do it like this, or maybe you can do it like this one.
Oh, so that is it. So let's open it.
Yes.
Okay, you open it. Let me help you this one first.
Here are the stickers.
Oh, the stickers. So we put the stickers first?
Yes.
Okay.
And here are the game pieces.
Oh. So you put the other stickers here. Huh? So as you can see, this is the stickers that is being given. And these are the playing pieces. Blue and brown color. And these are the pots where the pieces will go. And this is the playing board. Okay. Now let us assemble the bigger inside. The groundhog.
Yeah, the groundhog.
Okay, let's first put the sticker. But it's let me help you first so that it will be aligned. Just stick it from the middle. So there, it looks nice already with the sticker.
But we have to do it on the other side.
This is our slot, so you can put it aligned. Then stick it.
Stick it.
Yeah.
Stick it.
Now we can put this one. There. So this is our playing board. It's a vertical board, as you can see. So this is it. Now we are going to take out the playing pieces. We also have a sticker for the groundhog.
The groundhog is ready to play.
Oh, it's hard for you to open it up. Huh? Wow.
Okay, let's get the groundhog.
So this is the plain piece. This is for the brown color. And this is for the blue color. So let us count if it's really 13. 1, 2, 3,
4,
5, 6, 7.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Okay, we have 13 blues. And now the brown. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh, lucky one. So it's not 13 But Alyson's favorite color is what?
Blue. And Daddy's favorite color is blue, and Mommy's favorite color is blue.
Yeah, all our favorite colors are blue.
Blue. I have two favorite colors.
Blue and purple, but we don't have purple.
Yes, but there's a blue.
Okay. Now it's about the time. Now it's about time to play. We'll just put this one in, so that next time we have some. Ground, the digging hole game. As you can see, if we put the piece here,
Just slide
we
down.
can see it here and you can also see it on the other side.
Yes.
So
But it's
you can either play it like this, both of us on one side, or you can play it like this. Alyson is on the other side and I'm on the other side.
but see.
So, okay, Alyson, what color do you want? The blue or the brown?
I'm taking the blue.
You're taking the blue. So, to play this game, either you can put this first so that you will know where your line will start from top to bottom.
Or you can imagine the line
Or-
where we'll start, and you can place this at the end.
Yeah, you can put it at the end when you already have a line and your opponent will be surprised. Oh, you already have a line. I didn't know that. So what is best? Is it best to put it first so that you will know that you are making the line starting from here to the end, to the bottom part? Or is it best to put it later on? Okay? So how does this game goes?
So the youngest player goes first.
I'm the one first?
No, I'm the one first. Yay!
You're the youngest?
Yes.
Okay, you're the
I'm
youngest.
7, and you are 5.
Oh no! Okay. So if you're going first, are you going to let me know where you are going to start?
Yeah, I'm just gonna put it here.
Yeah, you're going to put there in the center. And I'm going to put it here just at this. I'll put it here.
You want to be beside me or there?
I don't know. Where? Here? I'll start here
Okay.
because I'm on this side.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Since you're the youngest and I'm the oldest, then
I'm going first.
you go first. So we go one by one. You, then me, then you, then me. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, you start.
I'm going to start by...
Slide it in. So where you put it, and you slide it in. So that's one space. Okay, now it's my turn. Since Alyson started there,
You're
I
going to
think
start
I'm
here.
going to start here. Then we're going to form a line going down. Whoever has a straight line or a
Or
a connecting line,
or a
unbroken.
line that goes like this.
No, it should be from top to bottom.
Okay.
Unbroken. Okay? Now
Okay.
it's your turn. I think Alyson is far away, so I will also start from here. Okay. Your turn, Alyson. You're still far away from your piece. Your turn. Okay, I already have 3 in a row,
I have 3 in a row also.
but I'm on the right path. You're still not on the right path. You're far away. Yes, Alyson, I only one left. You can push my piece if you want, so that I won't have a straight line. You can push it by putting your piece here, and you have because one more piece, and I'm going to complete. So Alyson can push my piece away. Oh no! What happened? I have a broken line.
Yay!
Now how can I have a straight or unbroken line? I have to put this one here so that it will be connected. Then I have another one. It's your turn, Alyson.
Okay, so I think I'm going
Alyson is going to broke my line again. Oh no, she's not. Oh, Alyson is going to connect it there. Now let me put one here so that one more piece and I'll gonna win. Alright, my line is still broken, but if you want to broke my line, you can put it here. Oh no, my line is broken again.
But look, it's blocking my way.
Yeah, I'm going to connect it. I will just put this one here. Yes, and one more. You can put it here so that it will be broken again because although this is a unbroken line, but my ground hound is here, so he cannot go here. So this is also not a straight line from the ground hound to the bottom. So I can put something here again so that
My piece falls.
So Alyson's turn.
And then I'm just going to make your piece fall again.
You're going to you're going to put it again. Oh my! I think I'm going to put it again here.
And then I'm going to put it again.
Oh my! I think I'm going to put here at the bottom. Alyson thinks she knocks down my piece, and I'm going to put it here. Then I'm the winner. I have a straight line down. Who wins? You. Okay. Maybe next time Alyson will win because this is the first time she plays this one. Later on, as we go off the camera, we can play this again. Let's see who's going to win more. Okay, Alyson?